simply one of the best to ever do it.
The following contest is a triple threat match. Making his way to the ring from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 275 pounds, the Viper, Randy Orton.
The definition of a WWE superstar, and in my opinion, there is no one as gifted in this game as Orton.
Oh, Corey, I agree. Legendary factions, all-time tag teams. But Randy Orton is best when he does some solo work.
And when he's doing said solo work, Randy Orton is one of the most sadistic individuals the WWE has ever known.
The more hostile the environment, the more at home Randy Orton seems to be. One of the most methodical superstars in WWE. Every step he takes serves a purpose.
Yeah, Randy Orton is always thinking inside that ring and provides no reprieve from the gruesome attacks that he creates.
Always a threat with the three most dangerous letters in all of sports entertainment, RKO. The Great One is here!
The biggest crossover star in sports entertainment history!
I can barely hear myself think. The most electrifying man in all of entertainment just blew the roof off this arena.
And his opponents, first from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the Rock!
No rest for the weary amidst launching movie franchises, owning a football league, launching countless products, and so much more. The Rock truly does it like no one ever before.
It is always a special moment when the Great One comes home to WWE to lay it, to smack it down. Well, guys, there's only one question left. Do you smell what the Rock?
Saxton, know your role and never say that again.
The Rock soaking up the adulation of the people one last time before the bell rings.
Here comes a man who loves to fight.
And representing the Brawling Brutes from Dublin, Ireland, weighing in at 267 pounds, the Celtic Warrior, Sheamus!
The leader of the Brawling Brutes. I'll tell you, this guy will fight anyone, even his friends.
Well, it's a good thing Sheamus doesn't consider you a friend.
Still a lot of fights left in the Celtic Warrior, that's for sure.
A pint and a fight is a good Sheamus night, and my sources say the Celtic Warrior already has a couple cold ones waiting backstage.
With these three superstars, it's going to be interesting to see where this... triple threat matchup goes. Set for this match, we have Randy Orton The Rock and Sheamus.
3 competitors, 1 fall to a win, and this is where you start to separate the wheat from the chaff, so to speak.
Oh, man. Tagged with a punch. Ripcord. Lariat.
Vicious shoulder tackle in the corner.
From the top. Tumbling down. Boom.
There's certainly an element of danger inherent in a no disqualification match, isn't there, Corey?
More than a lot of people realize. It's not just the superstar in the ring you have to worry about. You have to worry about everyone in the locker room that they're aligned with. The odds in this match can swing with or against you so fast.
Suplex!
Clothesline to the back of the neck. Hard to believe, but it looks like he just dimmed some of the Rock's shine.
Orton looked confident in that exchange.
Sheamus' words hit just as hard as his fists.
Heads out, and he has all the time he wants.
Rock sensed that was coming. Neckbreaker!
Producing a...
On the apron. Look out below! Reversal!
Catches Sheamus there.
Probably not going to win for a couple hundred years, Byron. You know why? Because the Billy Goat's curse.
Way to break the curse.
No clue what he hopes to find down there.
Bringing out that kendo stick means he is truly willing to go to the extreme.
And he slides him back to the mat. Thrown out of ringside and back to the mat.
Able to avoid there. What a forearm. Up for the electric chair, down for the drop.
Ooh. Setting foot in the ring now. Oh my God, a clothesline.
Thunderous club comes down. Very effective.
Clothesline to follow.
He had it scouted.
Probably not going to win for a couple hundred years, Byron. You know why? Because the Billy Goat's curse. The Billy Goat's curse is broken. Oh, what a punch. Hellacious power slam.
Placed into the corner.
Oh, man.
Into the DDT.
By the looks of that exchange, Randy may have just found an area in which he needs to improve.
And that's the kind of offense that opened people's eyes to The Rock.
Sheamus has set his sights on his opponent now.
He's back into the ring.
Hoisted up. Nice suplex. So much.
And will this be it? That could have been it right there.
Vicious right forearm.
Big right connects.
Oof, that can knock you out.
Dropping the elbow. Oh, bring it.
Yeah, let's see what you got.
Power slam. Re-entering the ring now.
Nice side headlock applied.
Oh,
Good measure. Snapmare takedown.
what a blow.
Carefully measured right.
Right to the spine.
Counter from Orton.
Sheamus with a man up on his shoulders. What noise, what impact. And this has got to be it. And he breaks up the pin and the match continues. Oh, my!
And Sheamus really having the fight brought to him there.
I'm just surprised that this triple threat match is still going on, Cole. I bet Saxton this would have been over by now.
Soaring. Oh, and he doesn't connect. I don't know what they're looking for.
I can already feel the sting of the kendo stick, and I do not care for it.
Snapmare. Does he have it here? Stopping the ref's count at 2.
I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now.
No one can. Snapmare could set something else up.
He steps foot in the ring again.
Oh my, will it be? I think so.
He gets the kick out after the 1.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left.
Sheamus with a broom kick.
No doubt, Sheamus
Makes
Evergreen.
the cover. Hangs on by a thread.
The Rock somehow got the shoulder up.
Yeah, but now comes the hard part. The Rock has to get himself back in this.
He may get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
And a kick out at only 1.
Wow, I thought this was over.
Pulled in from belly to belly.
Oh my gosh!
Setting up. All the way up. Suplex. Boom, right in the button. That takes them down.
Big forearm. Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Here it comes.
A rock with a rock bottom. Got all of it, and Sheamus is down.
2 count. He kicked out at 2.
Oh, man, somehow Sheamus managed to kick out, and I don't think he's going to take too kindly to how... Launching.
Gets inside the ring.
Big splash.
This has been an absolutely brutal display of will from these men.
You can see their flames starting to flicker. And it's...
KO. Orton might take it here. Pin.
And yes, Randy Orton gets the win.
Here is your winner, the Viper, Randy Orton.
As exciting a triple threat match as we've had here in WWE in recent memory.
Yeah, it may sound cliche, but you have to keep your head on a swivel in a match like this. And our winner did just that.